Hey, what's up? So I'm about to reveal to you the biggest secret in SEO in 2025, beyond, and even in the past years. It's just this one thing. And I want to show you what it is, and I want to show you results of people actually implementing this one thing that if you do starting today, not tomorrow, but starting today, you'll see almost instant results. I say instant by the SEO standards, which SEO tends to take a while, right? But if you do this, the results will be, and the time to seeing results will be shortened by a lot. And so if you do what I'm about to show you behind this little yellow thing, right, yellow rectangle, you will see instant success. Now, before I do show you, I want to tell you one thing, is that the thing that I'm about to show you, right, alone won't do as much for you as if you combine it with other things. And I'll go over what these other things are. Now, what this is, and you maybe already guessed it, is building backlinks, right? The power of building quality relevant backlinks is out of this world. And I made already a ton of videos on how to build backlinks, why they're important, a bunch of case studies, but it's still like month on month, year on year, I go back to the same thing, right? When a client is struggling with results, just building backlinks just moves the needle. And there's a bunch of results, right? These are a couple of clients we built links to, right? This guy went from 0 to 10K, right, in SEO traffic. They're a jewelry company, right? We built 9 links from August 20th to September 20th, a mix of guest posts and link insertions. And if you don't know what these are, again, I'll leave a link down below in the description for a video showing you what these are, why they're important, how to build them. But we built them literally 9 over the course of August till September, right? And the monthly traffic went from around 900 to 10.3 thousand in just 30 days. This is a screenshot from Ahrefs, right? So again, from almost not zero, right, but 900 to 10,000 in 30 days, right? In this case, this jewelry company was ranking already on the first page for some highly competitive keywords, but once these backlinks kicked in, right, we just propelled them for a bunch of other keywords. So they already had a good foundation in place, right? And the links, the backlinks we built, just amplify that 10x, literal 10x, right? It's insane. Here's more, right? 2x traffic in 90 days. This was for a large workout supplement company based in Canada. We built 5 to 6 DR40. DR stands for domain rating. This is a metric according to Ahrefs. Now, I talk a lot about this. Don't blindly rely on metrics, because these metrics can be manipulated. And if someone's selling you a backlink, don't just think that just because the DR is super high, that the link is high quality. The link can still be very bad quality if the DR is high. And also, don't just look at the metrics, look at the niche, because the perfect backlink is one that's both coming from a hyper-relevant domain and also powerful. Again, if you want more info on this, I'll leave them down below, okay? Again, 5 to 6 links per month from February to June, right? I mean, and the traffic went from 18,000 to 32,000. Right? The website got a large amount of growth in a short amount of time from backlinks building, but had a slight dip from the August 24th Google update. As this is a large, well-known brand, it's likely just a temporary dip, right? Boom, there you go. So again, another proof that the link building works. Here's more, from 0 to 6,000, right? Healthcare marketing company, not a healthcare company, but a marketing company for healthcare businesses. Start building 4 to 6 DR links per month. Since February, 90% were link insertions. Again, traffic went from around 400 to 6,000. Again, the results, there's just more and more results. 3K to 10K in 180 days for a real estate marketing company, 2X in 8 weeks for a pet supplements company. Just off of building links, quality, proper links. Here's our most recent case study. We built 29 links from this guy right here, around here. So his traffic went from 400 a month to 1,600 in just a few months, with only 29 links. Again, these are very powerful links. Here's all the links we built, by the way. I, of course, have to hide this brand, but you can get what the niche is just by looking at this. So the anchors were learn to code, cracking coding interviews, algorithm for coding interviews. So they're basically, an e-learning company for coding. And I mean, their traffic just skyrocketed. Now, granted, again, like I said before, backlinks alone won't do much. You have to pair them with other things, meaning, for example, one of those other things, as you see here, this is a graph for the organic pages. So as their traffic increased because of the backlinks we built, again, we built 29 backlinks, so did their number of organic pages. So they built more pages. So they were doing, on-page SEO. And this leads me to my final point, right? Even though, right, backlinks are key, right, you cannot succeed just off of building backlinks, because SEO, as you know, is a holistic marketing strategy, meaning there's 3 pillars: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, which is essentially link building, and then technical SEO, right? On-page is essentially anything that happens on the site. what you write, how you write it, the keywords you target, if you are writing it in a certain way, right? Everything happens on the actual site, so on page, number of posts, etc. Right? Off page essentially is link building, is what you see here on all these case studies were based off of link building. Again, all these had a proper base. And then technical SEO as well is very important. Is it like your site speed, your schema markup, your meta tags, and this is very important too, because you can have the best on page in the world, the best off page in the world, but if your technical SEO lacks, well, you won't see much result. Again, you might still see it, but to optimize your SEO strategy, you got to target all these three pillars. Now, I'll leave a course down below for free in the description how to do all these three on page, off page, and technical SEO. I just wanted to show you the power of building backlinks, because from what I gather from all my clients and the SEOs I speak with, people don't build enough backlinks. People know what they are and are very aware of what they are, but they don't build them enough, which is weird, because they know it works, right? They know what they are, they know how to build them, they know where to buy them if they don't want to build them, but they don't build them enough, which is odd because they just work so well. Now, am I saying that if you just add a couple links to your site, you'll get 10K in traffic in just 30 days? Well, depends, right? It's the classic answer, depends, right? Depends on your niche, on the competition, on the anchors you choose, right? On the number of links you build, the link velocity. I mean, it depends on a lot of stuff, right? All I can say is that if you build quality links, if you build the same links your competitors have, you choose the proper anchor text, you have some decent link velocity, and you keep consistent at it while you're focusing on page and technical SEO, you will see results, okay? And so with that being said, if you want to learn how to build these exact links for free, by the way, I'll leave a link down below for a free course which teaches you literally how to build these exact links. So the links you see here that got this site from 0 to 10K, I'll show you how to build them in a free course down below in the description. If you just want me to build them for you, well, I'll leave this link as well down below in the description. You can just go to tryjournalist.com, click your dashboard, then scroll down until you find purchase backlinks down here, and you can get these exact backlinks. I have a video here of me showing you like what the process is, how it works, but again, we guarantee a DR of 40 plus. Every single link that links back to you has at least a domain with 1,000 monthly organic search traffic, so they look real. They're actually not look real, they actually are real sites. Permanent links, right? No duplicate domains. They're also niche relevant. So not only are they powerful in metrics, traffic and DR, but they're also niche relevant, which is key here. And again, if you want to grab these backlinks, you can. You can also use the code links10, okay, to get 10% off, or just links. I forget what it is. It's either links or links10 to get 10% off. And yeah, that's basically it. Again, two choices here. Either you build them out yourself via the free course, I'll leave it down below in the description, or if you don't have time, if you just want me to do it for you, like fast and honestly in a way that works, because it works for these guys, work for these guys, work for these ones, work for these ones, work for these ones, and just literally just now work for these ones, right? 29 links, we just got the traffic from around 400 to 1600 in just a few weeks. I can do it for you. So yeah, that's it. Check the links in the description. Check this page as well. Use the code links10 to get 10% off. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.